Section 39 of Indian Evidence Act is dealing with what evidence to be given when statement forms part of a conversation or a document or electronic record or book or series of letters or papers. That means when the important portion of the evidence which is required before the court of law is a small statement or a small piece of evidence which is part of a bigger document or which is part of a entire conversation which is part of an electronic record, maybe it is part of a book or series of letters or papers. In that case, question arises that to what extent evidence can be placed before the court of law. Answer is given in section 39. Very simply it is been described that only to that extent which court deems fit in order to properly understand the statement, its purpose and its context. That's why to that extent what court deems necessary should become evidence before the court of law. That means it's very simple that whenever you have got a piece of evidence which is part of a book or series of letters or papers or which is part of a conversation between two or more persons, maybe in the textual conversation or oral recordings of the telephone recordings or audio visual recordings, maybe sometimes it is a part of a document, then you need not to place before the court the entire document or entire series of letters or papers, and you need not to bring the entire electronic records, only that piece of evidence which courts deems necessary to understand the statement and its context and its purpose, why and when it was made. To that extent only you have to place it before the court. That's why section 39 says that only the important portion can be placed before the court of law as an evidence. Hope you have understood. It is very simple, like when we see a book, that in book page number 69, say for example, is the only evidence to be placed before the court. You need not to mark entire book, only that 69th page you can take a copy of it and you can certify it, and then you can place it before the court of law. That is sufficient evidence. Court may, if satisfied with the contents placed before it, if it is sufficient to make out the complete understanding of the entire evidence, then that portion is enough evidence before the court of law. Thank you.